1. Remove the saddle and seat tube from the frame. 2. Loosen the screws on the seat tube clamp with a hexagon wrench and remove the saddle. 3. Put the saddle back into the seat tube clamp and pre-lock the screws. Be careful not to fasten them at this time. 4. Mount the tube on the frame. Adjust the saddle angle to keep it parallel to the ground, and fasten the screws of the seat tube clamp. Please fasten them tightly for your safety.